There are only 3 days left before XRP is absolutely parabolic, and the reason is very simple. You see, on March 7th, Donald Trump is going to host the first ever crypto summit at the White House. What does this mean? Well, I believe XRP is going to be the sole focus of this crypto summit. Now, we know that the SEC has a case against Ripple, the company who created XRP, and they appealed back in December. So I believe that this case is going to be a rough, for the simple reason that Brad Garlinghouse, the CEO of Ripple, has a phenomenal relationship with Dr. Trump and the Trump family. Now, XRP was cross-border payments more efficiently, fast, and more economically than the Swift banking system. You know that the Swift banking system does about $5 billion a day, and about 1.25 billion in transactions. And XRP is capable of taking over the transaction banking system. I believe that XRP can be pricing at $10,000, $20,000, but for right now, XRP is sitting at $1, and I believe by the end of this month that it's capable of reaching a $10 price point. XRP is going to bring generational wealth to millions across the globe. You do not want to miss out on that opportunity because Ripple is changing lives.